You've been using Microsoft Teams wrong. And the worst part is, your IT team probably know about it and nobody ever says anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 Teams features that most IT departments have never bothered to train anybody on. They take about 2 minutes each to set up, and they completely change the way you work, right? There's no jargon, I don't like bullshit. No IT tickets that you need to raise. It's just you fixing it yourself and then thanking me later. Now, the last feature within this is the one that saved my insanity. God's honest truth. I was gone absolutely crazy with Microsoft Teams until I put together the thing that I'm going to show you as the last little nugget. Now, let me paint a picture for you. It's Monday morning. You've got a client call in 10 minutes. You jump on Teams. Your neighbour's dog's going nuts in the background. It's mental outside. You've got 2-year-old kids running in from bloody school. Not 10 o'clock in the morning, but you know what I mean. Somebody's making toast in the background and you're sat there thinking to yourself, bloody Nora, everyone on this call is going to hear all this carnage going on around me. And they're right, because they can hear you. Or picture this one, you've got a sharing screen going on in a meeting, fully professional, totally in control, and then ping, WhatsApp comes up as a notification across your screen with something that you absolutely did not want the CEO to see. Or, my personal favourite, you're mid-conversation in a Teams chat, you click away to find a file that you're talking about, you come back again, the chat's gone. Because you've used Teams, you've clicked away, you're trying to find a file, completely gone. Now you're scrolling back through weeks and weeks of messages, trying to find out where you're at. Now, here's the thing, none of this is your fault. You're just handed a Teams account like somebody's chucked you a set of car keys and said, oh, figure it out, go and make it work. There's no training, you've not received any manuals, you just get some vibes, basically, and some GIFs. Did you say GIFs or GIFs? Not sure. IT, they've got a whole load of features that would fix all of this for you, but they just haven't told you because they're busy. They're dealing with tickets until now. That's what this video is all about. So listen in. Let me show you 3 really cool little features. Feature number 1 is called voice isolation. Now, this stops you broadcasting all of the background noise from all of your life. The kids, the toast popping up, the dogs. This is the big one. Most people don't even know it exists. Teams has a background noise suppression feature. Now, imagine it. Traffic, all of that kind of rubbish that goes on in the background. But if somebody else is speaking near you, that goes straight into your meeting and nobody can hear what you're saying because everybody else can hear the other person. Now, the voice isolation fixes that. It literally learns your voice and only lets you through. You could be sat in a coffee shop and nobody on the call can hear a thing. Here's how you set this up, right? Hit the 3 little dot menu in Teams, top right. Go into settings. Scroll down to recognition and you'll see a voice option. Click create a voice profile, read the phrase that it gives you, and then read that out loud, obviously, because it needs to learn your voice. And then that's it. You're done. 30 seconds. Then what you do is head to devices under the same settings panel. Under noise suppression, you'll now see voice isolation as an option. Select that. That's it. That's all you do. You know now in your next meeting, nobody hears all of your life going on behind you. It's just you and it recognizes your voice. Feature number 2, stop sharing your entire desktop. Now, this one is the one that gets people embarrassed badly.
No, I feel embarrassed, ashamed when I see it. I don't like it. I apologize for the camera.
When most people share their screen in a meeting, they go to the share screen button. They click their desktop, which means that everything is live. Every notification, every tab, every accidental window. And here's what you do instead to try and to make sure that you avoid that. Before you hit share, open the document, the deck, or the app that you actually want to show, right? Then hover over its icon in the taskbar. You'll see a little prompt that says share this window. Click that, select share. Now, only that one window is the one that's visible to everybody on the call. You can Alt Tab open Excel, check your emails, no one sees any of it. They only see what you choose to let them see. This is really good in sales as well. If you want to be sharing proposals, but you don't want to share your prices, that's really cool as well. You can do it that way. And then when you're done, what you do is you just stop sharing the same way that you normally would. Now that's a much more clean, simple, and it avoids all the accidental notifications and WhatsApp notifications that you get through. Now, before I share this last little nugget with you, this is the one that saved my sanity. Let me tell you that setting up all of these settings within a meeting room environment is even more important than just your own laptop. And that's why we've put together a little price list of Microsoft Teams rooms, small, medium, large meeting rooms, fully supplied hardware, fully installed and fully supported with us, our team, setting up all of the correct settings for you. You can see those rooms and all the prices for it fully installed using the link below. Check that out and get in touch with us. Feature number 3 is the sanity saver. This is when you pop your chats into a separate window. This is the thing that saved me loads and loads of time, and it saved my mental health. This is small, but trust me, it was a complete game changer for me, right? You know that feeling when you're mid-conversation in a Teams chat, you click on a channel to find something, and then all of a sudden the chat completely disappears. Now you've got to go back, find it, scroll down, remember where you are. Absolute night. You spend so much time just trying to figure out where you are. The fix, you go into any chat, you hit the 3-dot menu, the 3-dot button on the menu, you select open new window. That chat now floats as a completely separate window on top of your Teams. You can now browse channels, you can dig through files, you can do whatever it is that you need to do, and that conversation is still sitting right there, ready when you are. Really, really easy, 2 separate things. You can do this within channel conversations too, right? Not just within individual chats. You can just open as many as you need. You can have loads of different floating windows if you need to. Not that you'd want that or need that, but you know what I mean. Here's the problem. Knowing these features is great, right? But if the rest of your team is still fumbling around within Teams, you're going to get dragged into slow meetings, chasing files and cleaning up miscommunication. And that's exactly why I put this video together here, which covers the full picture of how to get your team actually working well in Microsoft Teams. So go check that out, have a little look, like, subscribe, give me some comments, let me know if there's anything else you want to see.